Lamang na si Alex, third set, lamang si Alex. 2-1. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na yan. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na. Lord.
Incredibly risky going through the line, highest part of the net, trying to thread the needle. Not a great decision. Ball.
2-0. Ay, na-out pa. Sobra sa energy.
Alex Ayala.
Sayang yan.
In this third set, it's been a roller coaster of a
Sige
ride.
lang, bawi.
First set pretty comfortably on Maya joint.
Bawi na lang, bawi.
Ayala hit back impressively in the second set and has a break in the third. Jones was so impressive in the first set. We wondered if there would be a letdown after her winning. But there wasn't. She played tactically well,
Pagod na si Maya.
full of positivity, but now the
Naka-shades
performance
pa yan.
deserted her, it seems.
Si Alex nga, walang shades eh.
Gone for good, or can she revive?
Yes, out.
Mistakes like that are
Score ni Alex.
thick and fast now. The time's running out for her to get it back.
And she needs a bit of a reset and a regroup as Maya joint.
Napipressured na yan si
Right move
Maya
going
eh.
forward, but just forgot about the spin.
Hindi na
You
siya
are feeling the tension out there.
nakakabawi.
It's even more important that you put extra torque and top spin on the ball. Ball.
Sa pang fault. Score ni Alex niyan. Kalas. Ba, nakabawi.
The forehand was devastating in the first set, but no longer. Really needs that to fire because Ayala had no
nilakas
answer to
yung,
it, did she, in the first set?
Nabawi ni Maya.